feels great. You feel like part of the I was like, please don't take pictures of it. And then just step on it. No, I can't.
I can't. That was.
You did it lock?
Yeah.
You don't have to go that far. Just bring it up there and slide it in. You're going to the from 2004 to 2000.
And all of our action, as far as like clearing this thing, it's like you're clearing it at the range, okay? Like, try not to get. We're gonna pass this around, and all you really need to do, I'll just have him do it actually. He's gonna work those back and those out. The other one is for tree shot, 155. All that stuff's kind of jarring. I assume what you guys might work on backwards, and then dimming, brightening up the leaves per se. After that, then you start to move yourself, okay? And then the 3 dots, anybody see anything with 3 dots? A night vision option, okay? So you have 3 different brightness settings for night vision, okay? All right, hey, are we good? We're good to go? Okay. All right, we'll move on here.
It's a rocket on it.
So, like, one side at a time.
There we go.
Go ahead and put that on. Yeah. So do the doors.
I'll have a bag up there, I have a long screwdriver, I have a 18mm socket as well, just in case it's tighter. So it looks like it'd be beneficial. We had one doing the zero in and farther and out to the fire.
And you could use that to 0.
Oh, perfect.
So it's a flathead. And then make sure, if you check this, make sure that's on good. Perfect, man. Down here?
Yep.
So go in, you're gonna hear it click, right? Should close pretty easily. Okay, there you go. Everybody good? Clear? Clear. Go see the others.
Yeah, let me go see if we got
If the other brackets are like that.
Stay on the 6, okay.